Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use the Gemini API in Google AI Studio. First open Google AI Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. After signing in you will see an option to create an API key. Click on the button that says Get API Key. If you do not already have a cloud project, the system will create a default one for you. This part usually takes only a moment. Next you will see a button that lets you create and copy your new API key. Click on Create API Key. A long string of characters will appear. This is your secret key. Copy it and store it somewhere safe. Never share this key in public places because it gives access to your project and your billing. Now you are ready to use the Gemini API in your code. You can start with a simple example in JavaScript, Python, or any language that can send HTTP requests. That is the full process. You sign in, get your API key, test your ideas in the studio, and then use the Gemini API in your own application. Thanks for watching.